Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. When birth rate dropped and there were not enough children to fill classes, rural schools in South Korea began welcoming grandmothers who had never learned to read. Unlike humans, octopuses possess blue blood due to copper content. 68% of people say they don't recline their airplane seats out of consideration for the person behind them. Study claims that attending a concert once every 2 weeks can add 9 years to your life. Breeders have created a new werewolf cat in the 2010s. Cats with a mutated gene were selectively bred with normal short-haired cats to create a new breed called Lycoi that are known for their sparse and patchy fur. A honeybee has the same amount of hairs as a squirrel, 3 million. The hairs allow them to carry as much pollen as possible. Located 2,500 meters above sea level, Abuna Yamata-gu is the world's most inaccessible place of worship. Spelling bees are mainly popular in countries where English is spoken because in most other languages spelling is more predictable. Chinese professor claims to have built a jet engine that converts electricity directly into thrust. Male hippos use their tails to fling their poop and impress females. The Manaki Neko is a common Japanese figurine which is often believed to bring good luck to the owner. Caffeine can cause you to experience a sense of impending doom, especially if you are prone to anxiety. Like dogs, humans can suffer from chocolate poisoning. For a 176-pound person, consuming 13 pounds of pure chocolate in one sitting would be deadly. The fresh fruits of Rudraksha are deep blue in color and look marvelous. The longest surgery ever recorded was performed in 2001 by a team of 20 doctors. It took 103 hours, more than 4 days to complete. Goat milk digests in only 20 minutes, while cow milk takes up to 2 to 3 hours to digest. A helium and a non-helium balloon cancelling each other out. Just 3 days into his internship with NASA, 17-year-old Wolf has discovered a planet 6.9 times larger than Earth. Pollination of the dragon fruit plant is done by nocturnal creatures like moth and bats. There is a restaurant called Isdan Floating Restaurant in the Philippines where you are allowed to smash plates on the wall for releasing your anger. Yeast extract is an ingredient that contains the naturally occurring version of monosodium glutamate or MSG. That ingredient enhances the taste of the food. Benjamin Franklin did not discover electricity, but he did prove that lightning is a form of electricity. Cats have a walking sequence that is similar to camels and giraffes. They move both of their right feet first, then move both of their left feet. No other animals walk this way. General knowledge is the cornerstone of your child's success. Disney use a paint color called Go Away Green to hide projects in their parks. Grass cells have smiley faces on them. White dragon king crown betta, one of the coolest looking fish. Meet the bird that looks like a dragon. The Great Eared Nightjar. Melted glass in a fire damaged building. If you are in an area where you should have cell phone service but don't, put your phone on airplane mode and then switch back. This will cause your phone to register and find all the towers in your vicinity. Stunning engineering accuracy in pharaonic temples. The fastest way to make your house smell great. The street art speak more than 1,000 words. In 2015, a town in Italy passed a law mandating the use of silent fireworks to help reduce stress for veterans, pets, children, and wildlife. Although not entirely silent, these fireworks are significantly quieter than traditional ones and often feature more vibrant colors. French journalist Jean suffered a stroke at 43, resulting in locked in syndrome, leaving him paralyzed except for his left eyelid. Using a blinking technique, he dictated a 130-page memoir, The Diving Bell and the Butterfly, which became a bestseller. 6 Ayurveda habits that will transform you in 60 seconds. Morning copper water sip. Tongue scraping. Nasal oil. Apply ghee to navel. Smell your favorite herb or spices. Blink plus eyes cooling splash. Thanks for watching.